Hello, friends! Join me today as we learn how to pronounce these 20 verbs. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Now say after me. Eat, eat, eat. Drink, drink, drink. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Walk, walk, walk. Run, run, run. Talk, talk, talk. Listen, listen, listen. Read, read, read. Write, write, write. Watch, watch, watch. Cook, cook, cook. Clean, clean, clean. Wash, wash, wash. Work, work, work. Play, play, play. Study, study, study. Drive, drive, drive. Sing, sing, sing. Jump, jump, jump. Hop, hop, hop. Thank you for watching, friends. See you next time.